Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to edit your imported files. Firstly, go to Part Workbench with your file selected. Go to Part, Create Shape from Mesh, Choose Shape, and click OK. Now you can hide the first file, space. Click on the second one, go to Part, Convert to Solid, hide the previous, click on the solid, go to Part, Create Copy, Refine Shape, and now switch back to the part design workbench. Click on the last solid, create body, and now you can see there's a base feature. That means you can edit this object. That is all. If you like this tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to support my work, go to the description. Thank you for watching.